Walk wing. Have you ever dreamed of walking much faster than normal, or being able to move at a great speed when you're walking down the street or going late? Walk wing is an amazing invention that offers these opportunities. Pay attention to the open look with lots of straps. All you have to do to use the walk wing is put your feet with your shoes inside. While creating this unusual device, the developers thought a lot about how to create an advanced but comfortable product. The result is a device with retractable wheels. This means that even if you're wearing the walk wing, you don't have to skate. The switch between walking and skating is made with a single movement of the hand. By the way, it only takes a few seconds to install the product. You can buy walk wing for a minimum price of $90. FunShell. We could talk for a long time about the benefits of backpacks. For a long time, it was thought that the traditional design of backpacks simply couldn't be better. But the FunShell backpack is here to prove the opposite. It's not hard to guess its key feature. It's a foldable cover. However, to use it, you'll have to wait for a rainy or very sunny day. It opens in seconds, and you don't even have to take off the backpack. Another feature is hidden in the back part. At the push of a small button, a powerful fan starts working. It should be noted that, despite the extended functionality, this backpack perfectly fulfills its main task, storing and transporting things. The changes hardly affected the capacity. The manufacturer offers several models, at a price ranging from $55 to $169. They all have plenty of spacious pockets, and all the components of the backpack are waterproof. Exploding Poncho. The product you see on the screen is a collaboration between Nike and the American sculptor Tom Sachs. The product is part of the 4th Joint Collection, which was launched as part of the Nike Craft project. The parachutes were the inspiration for the poncho design. The designer looked at its compact construction and discovered how to use this mechanism for the benefit of ordinary people. The end result was an exploding poncho that fits in a fanny pack. The material used is high-strength Dyneema fabric. IGUANEYE Jungle. When the Portuguese company IGUANEYE was working on their new shoes, they thought about how much modern man is surrounded by borders and limits. Literally. We're constantly surrounded by walls and divisions, and most of the time we're dressed in clothes and shoes. The part of our body that suffers the worst are our feet, which tire and sweat locked up inside the tight shoes. No wonder we all like to wear flip-flops when possible. Jungle is the next generation of flip-flops of the future. They allow the feet to breathe, but at the same time protect them optimally. They're only fastened in 2 places, around the heel and on the big toe. However, Jungle attaches firmly to the foot and does not slip away. Surprisingly, this pair of shoes is suitable for all occasions. You can run, play different sports, walk on asphalt, dirt, sand or stones. Jungle offers a high level of comfort and safety everywhere. The manufacturer offers 2 models, Light and Luxe. They cost $60 and $85 respectively. The difference lies in the material of which the shoes are made. Threadsmiths clothes. It's time to talk about clothes that everyone can benefit from. Australian company Threadsmiths offers shirts and t-shirts with a unique feature. They repel water and any other liquid. These clothes will definitely help to avoid sauce or drink stains. In addition, the fabric from which all clothes are made does not absorb odors. The most difficult task was to make the clothing waterproof while keeping the fabric soft and breathable. However, the Threadsmiths team did their job perfectly. Today, the company offers a large number of models. The price ranges from $50 to $400. Posh galosh overboots. Bad weather often stands in the way of our plans. This is true for all aspects of life. However, right now we're talking about cases when rain, snow and hail prevent us from wearing our most beautiful shoes. Posh galosh overboots were created primarily for women who have to leave their favorite heels at home. However, we're sure that this invention will protect any shoe regardless of who wears it. Simply put, Posh is a shoe cover for walking the streets. On the outside, it's made of a durable, water-resistant synthetic material. On the inside, they have a soft nylon lining and are pleasant to the touch. Their insoles are absolutely flat, so they're comfortable to wear over any shoe, whether it's a high-heeled shoe or a sneaker. The heel area has an additional protective insert to prevent the heel from puncturing the fabric. The top of the product is very wide so that you can put it on even over bulky shoes. Posh is fastened to the leg with elastic straps. When folded, the overboots take up almost no space and can be stored in the carry bag. The price of the product is $120. Aros. The next piece of clothing we have on our list will be especially useful for people who spend a lot of time on the road. Aros is a special hoodie with an air pillow inside. That is, it's a hoodie for sleeping. When you put the hood on your head and inflate the pillow, you get optimal support for your head and neck. The hoodie makes it easier to sleep on public transport, in the car, and even on the floor if, for example, you're on a picnic. When the pillow deflates, the hoodie just becomes a stylish garment. Aros can be bought for $70. Polar seal clothes. If you live in a country with cold weather, what we'll say next won't be news to you. Sometimes even a heating system doesn't prevent you from feeling cold. Fortunately, the Chinese company Polar Seal has found a way out of this situation. The brand offers clothes that will allow you to forget about the feeling of cold forever. It is clothing with a built-in heating system. The company offers a wide variety of clothing, from t-shirts and tops to jackets, vests and parkas. The price, of course, varies greatly. For a t-shirt, you'll have to pay about $150. A jacket will cost about $660. It's not cheap, but it seems to us that keeping warm and comfortable when it's freezing is worth it. Clothes support 3 heating modes: 40, 45 and 50 degrees Celsius. The fabric is made up of 5 layers. The heating layer is in the middle, so the clothes won't burn your skin. The heating process starts with the push of a button, and the heat can be felt after 10 seconds.